Hello you guys, welcome back. This is Sierra, and today, as you guys know because you read the title, I'm going to be unboxing another one of my many Fukubukuro boxes slash bags for you today. Today's box is my Franc Franc box, and Franc Franc this year put out 2 boxes, and the box that I decided to get was the beauty box. They also had a party box which had a guaranteed, I think it was like a little cooker skillet type thing in it, and it was 5,000 yen, and the beauty box is also 5,000 yen. So that is one that we're going to be unboxing today. But before I get into that, I just want to speak a minute about my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Sierra and I'm an American living in Japan. Every week I make a new video about my crazy life in Japan, my family's crazy life in Japan, Lush, being vegan, and trying to live more sustainably. So if you guys are interested in any of those things, make sure that you subscribe. Or if you guys are interested in lucky bags, I do have quite a few to still unbox, so make sure you subscribe there so you'll get all those notifications as well. Anyways, I'm gonna grab my scissors here and kind of start oh, maybe it doesn't need it. So my Franc Franc box looks like this. It says happy box, and it says beauty because it's the beauty relax box. It's starting to get pretty cold this winter, and I just want to have some things to kind of help me chill out and relax. So I have heard that there is a guaranteed like face scrubber or something, which is really good for winter skin, so we'll see what's in there. On the other side of the box, they give you a very pixelated version of what is inside the box. So I guess I am going to guess, since I know that there's going to be a face scrubber in there, there's a face scrubber, and I guess a beauty mirror, which would be good because I just dropped my makeup mirror on the floor like an hour ago and ruined it. Decorative flowers and some kind of cosmetics to try. I don't know. The lady in the store didn't say there was cosmetics in it, but she was speaking Japanese really fast, and the amount that I was able to understand was very minuscule. So let's unbox this thing. Ooh, it smells good. I don't know if there's actually like perfume in the box. It just smells good in general. Ooh. Oh, this is fun already. I already love it. Okay, so let's open the box. First thing I see that in here, it says gel face mask. And I honestly don't know what that means. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a real face mask that you wear all the time, or if it's supposed to be like a cooling face mask for when it's hot or your skin is angry with you or something. So let's open it and have a look. Kind of smells. So I mean, not bad. I don't know. I feel like I smell something really florally in here. Maybe roses. Maybe this is it. I have no idea. But oh, come on. You know, it's frustrating to me, like with like beauty packaging and just all packaging. It's like they want you to buy stuff, but they don't want you to open it. If you open it, like what's the point of buying it? You know what I mean? Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So I don't know exactly how to use this. I really hope that there's instructions in here. I'm guessing you're supposed to refrigerate it based on the way that it looks, but no promises. This is what it looks like. Ah, wow. Okay, so I'm not going to put it on right now because I have makeup on and I have a couple of other videos I want to film tonight. Really ridiculous. I have no idea if you're supposed to do it like with the beady things towards your face or away from your face, but this is what it looks like. Definitely will have to try it. I genuinely have no idea exactly what it's supposed to do, but I'm guessing because it has the gel in it that you're supposed to freeze it or put it in the refrigerator to make it nice and cold and help with your dark circles and stuff. I guess. I'm not actually sure, but definitely a little interesting, a very Japanese thing to do. I don't know if you guys have seen those videos of people trying like weird Japanese beauty products, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. Maybe I should make one of those videos. I don't know. If you guys are interested in something like that, let me know in the comments and I'll see. Okay, next item looks like a candle of some sort, but I think this is where the smell is coming from. Yeah, I think it's a candle. It's a, yeah, fragrance gel. Okay, but fragrance gel will fill your surroundings with a nice aroma. Just open the lid and place in any location you prefer and enjoy the aroma. Well, that's where the smell is coming from. Let's see what it smells like. Does it have an ingredient list? Oh, it's lily and jasmine. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. This would probably work really well in like our guest bathroom. So I wouldn't have to keep putting air fresheners in there, but I'm a little bit worried about what is making it smell like this, if it's synthetic or essential oils, but very interesting. I like this. I think this is neat. Next item we have here looks like it's a little face towel. Yep, it says face towel on it and color pink. That would be correct. So it's just like a nice little towel. I guess what you could do is you could take a shower and you could like put your hair up in the towel and like put your face mask on and open your candle and like enjoy it, you know. It's kind of neat. Okay, let's see. Next one looks like another candle, but there can't be another candle in here, right? Oh, the tag gave it away, but I'm not gonna look at it. I'm just gonna open it and then hold it in front of the camera and then we'll look at it together. It's a mug and it looks like this. Oh, it's really cute. Oh, I really like this. Aw. See, Franc Franc is actually winning my heart with this bag. Last year the bag was really cool and I was sad that I missed it, but yeah, this is really nice. It has a little, you know how well you guys can see the print on camera? But it has almost like an old world style print on it. Be perfect for drinking tea. I could brew some like flowery tea and put in my flowery candle and put in my mask and wear my towel on my head. Totally gonna do that one of these nights. I don't know, maybe when the boys go for like a boys night to like the cinema or something, I'll stay in and I'll do my face mask stuff. Okay, next item from the bag. Okay, this is the facial cleansing brush set that I was talking about. It's supposed to be the guaranteed item. And woo, I just dropped it everywhere. Looks like it has 2 different kinds of brushes. Looks like it has like a regular exfoliating type scrub brush here. It's pretty interesting. I don't know if it, yeah, it looks like it does spin, and so it'll give you a really nice exfoliation. And then there's also this little attachment. Looks like you can just pop it back on, and it's pretty soft looking. So I wonder if this is for like, oh, it's like some kind of bristles. I wonder if it's like for face dry brushing, maybe? I don't know. Quite like this though. I think it's cute. You know, I don't really have anything like this for my skin. Usually I just use like a face mask and like massage it in myself, but I don't know. Sometimes you need a little bit of luxury in your life, you know? Like even though like I've only had 2 guys in my house for a few months, it's just, you know, like not really feeling like a girl's house as much anymore, you know? So I think this is kind of sweet. All right, there's one more thing in the box and it is what I thought it is. It is it says Franc Franc LED mirror. Yeah, because you know what happened like less than an hour ago? I broke my regular face mirror. And if it looks like what I think it is, I'm excited about this. Like, see, like I'm Franc Franc, you win. A lot of things, I don't know if I really needed them, but these are all just really like nice things that I just didn't have that, you know, are just sweet and nice to have sometimes, you know? And I know that you guys who follow my channel know that I like to use things that are not single use. So like, for example, the face mask I can use over and over again. Same thing with the brush and the scent candle thing. I don't really know what I think about that, but maybe I'll save it and give it to a gift. I don't know. Let's unbox the mirror. You know, I've never actually had a makeup mirror. I think back on it, like I've had like the little tiny like handheld ones. I've never had like one of those like real ones that you like puts light onto your face. Ooh. Hey there, gorgeous. Nice lipstick. Okay, and let's see. Oh, neat. Okay, so it goes like this, and you obviously peel off the plastic. We can, I guess you can do that. I'm not gonna get rid of it or anything. And you guys can see my pretty ring light and all the mess on the other side of my room and my husband's computer. And you guys can see yourselves in the mirror. Isn't that cute? Anyway, basically the way it works is you can put it goes like this, and there's a little battery area in the back, and you can just switch it on and off. And then I guess it just sits into this little base, and there's a little spot, I guess, for makeup and stuff to sit in. But this is great. Definitely to me worth 5,000 yen. I think the mirror alone is probably worth like 2,000 or 2,500 yen. So that being said, excellent job, Franc Franc. I can't really give you guys exact numbers on like how much this should cost from Franc Franc, but I would definitely say that the value is definitely over what I paid for the box. So yeah, all right. So anyways, it is getting a little bit late, so I don't know how much more time I have left, especially on this battery pack, but I really want to try out some of this stuff. So if you guys liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year. Bye.